Hi guys, so today we'll be making one of my favorite leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is so effective. It leaves your hair moisturized for a very long period. It helps with breakage, it strengthens your strands and grow out your hair. So I'll be showing you a step-by-step on how you can make this leave-in conditioner and also how you can apply it for more effective results. Hi natural lovers, welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and if this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. In this channel I share simple effective ways to grow, nourish and love your hair naturally. Whether you are on a length retention journey or just want healthier, happier hair, you're in the right place. So please subscribe to join the family. Let's grow beautiful hairs together. So our first ingredient is aloe vera gel. I'm using aloe vera gel from the store. You can also use the fresh aloe vera for this. My aloe vera plant is not in a good condition at the moment, and I really wanted to share this amazing leave-in conditioner recipe. So if you're using a fresh aloe vera, I'll also be telling you what you can do and how to go about it. So our next ingredient is shea butter. Shea butter offers numerous benefits for hair because of its moisturizing and nourishing properties. Shea butter deeply hydrates your hair, it salts each scalp, and also it can help with breakage and split ends. And of course, it helps in promoting hair growth by improving scalp health. So I added a good amount of the shea butter. You can add any amount of the shea butter that you want depending on the quantity you're going for. So we are going to be dissolving this shea butter. I simply added hot water into a bowl. I placed my shea butter. I covered it up for some minutes until it was properly dissolved. So after dissolving, this is what our shea butter is looking like. I just went straight ahead to add it into the aloe vera gel that I've stepped aside already. So the next thing I added was my glycerin. I added like half a tablespoon, and that was the only oil that I added to this. You can decide to add in more of hair oils or essential oils like tea tree, coconut oil, lavender, or any form of oil that you would like to just add bit by bit into the mixture, and we'll go ahead and mix this thoroughly. If you have a hand mixer, it's best as it will save you more time. So after mixing, this is what we have. Like I said, if you have a hand mixer like an electric mixer, it will even come out better. It will come out more creamier and more better because you will be giving it a very good beat with that hand mixer. So if you'll be using a hand mixer, this next ingredient is not for you, because by the time you finish whipping that with a hand mixer, it's going to give you a well-formed paste and a very creamy paste, so you'll not be needing this. So if you're like me without a hand mixer, you're going to be adding a few drops of your regular leave-in conditioner into this, and you're going to be whipping that very good until you get this creamy fine consistency. So after whipping for some times, this is the consistency that I got. For this, I will not be adding any form of preservatives because the aloe vera gel that I use already have preservatives. So if you are getting an aloe vera gel from the store, it already has preservatives, so you will not need to add in any form of preservatives. But if you're using a fresh aloe vera gel, you'll be adding a few drops of preservative so that it can last you for a longer period. But if you will not be adding any preservative, you can store it in the fridge and use it within a week or two. But if you're adding preservatives, it's going to last you even longer. So you're going to be pouring this into a container and you're going to close it properly. After trying out this leave-in conditioner, I bet you will never want to use any other form of leave-in conditioner ever again, because the way it will keep your hair moisturized, the way it will strengthen your strand, you will see your breakage reducing drastically, and you're going to be shocked by the benefit and the effect and the result you're going to be getting from this leave-in conditioner. Here is how you can apply this on your hair for effective results. I always advocate spraying your hair with some water before going in with any product so that your hair can absorb the product properly. So you spray your hair with some water, don't overspray it, let your hair just be damp and not wet. After spraying it with some water, you're going to start applying your leave-in conditioner. Apply from at least the middle of your hair to the tips. Pay more attention to the tips of the hair because that is the oldest part of your hair. I'm sure you've heard about that. As you're applying it, make sure you squeeze and rub it in so that all your strands can absorb it properly and it's not just sitting on your hair. Use this 2 to 3 times in a week. This is going to leave your hair super moisturized for a very long time. So just in case you've not yet given this video a thumbs up, please do well to like this video and also drop a comment. I would like to know what your opinion is and if you're going to be trying this leave-in conditioner out. And if you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. And until next time, keep that hair happy and healthy. Bye.